Nice to see you all again. I want to talk to you a little bit about our Frankincense and DMSO Sacred Salve. This is a product I am absolutely in love with. Any of you that know me know how much I love DMSO. Dimethyl oxide comes from tree lignin, important component in plant cell walls. When used and applied, it increases our microcirculation to a nuclear level. It's also an analgesic. It kills pain. It's transdermal. It binds all the amazing things that are in this product to it to pull it safely through your skin and organ membrane. And obviously it contains our world-class sacred therapeutic-grade Boswellia Sacra frankincense. And the combination with the DMSO and frankincense has something I use in quite a few of our products. And I have been this product came from our product beforehand, and we kind of redid this product. Any of you that have been following us, you probably know or have used our Turbo DMSO, which we used for a lot of years, but I really wanted to formulate something that could No, ignore him for a minute. He'll stop. Any of you that are familiar with our product line have probably used or seen our Turbo DMSO, which is a really, really great product. People really loved it. But I wanted to formulate something that was a little bit different. I wanted it to be more like a salve, that it would stay on a little bit better than a lotion or an oil. It smells like magic. It smells like frankincense. And it's something when you put on yourself, you can just feel the healing properties of it right away. Every single person that's used it is absolutely obsessed with it, so I think that we've got a really great product there. And as we know, for generations, frankincense has been esteemed for its calming and regenerative qualities. The Sacred Salve harmonizes DMSO and it enhances absorption, right? So it nourishing elements like beeswax, essential oils. So whether it's applied to sore joints or muscles or skin that's just in need of care, any sort of skin issues, dermatitis, this balm delivers a balanced approach for healing, and it's really rooted in nature's subtle strength and modern formulation of expertise of the people that are handcrafting this. So we are really, really, really proud of this, and I really suggest that you guys give this a try. It's something that I don't think I could ever live without. So there's quite a few ingredients in this. I'm not going to go through them all. I think we have a few other videos that go into depth about this.
So let's go through some of the ingredients of this amazing product. Dimethyl sulfoxide. This is going viral all over social media and for good reason. DMSO enhances the penetration of active compounds, delivering them deep into tissues. It reduces inflammation and pain, particularly for arthritis and muscle strains, by improving circulation and nutrient delivery, with 2025 pharmacology reviews indicating up to a 5 times enhanced absorption. Boswellia Sacra frankincense powder and 25% resin infusion in jojoba oil. Sourced from Omani Boswellia Sacra, the powder and the infusion delivers boswellic acids for potent anti-inflammatory effects, reducing joint discomfort and supporting skin repair. The dual-modality approach ensures both rapid and sustained release, validated by studies showing 40% inflammation reduction in tissue models. Beeswax, a natural emollient. Beeswax forms a breathable, protective barrier, locking in moisture and soothing irritating skin. It supports healing by preventing dryness and aiding recovery in conditions like eczema, per dermatological data. Cocoa butter. Extracted from cocoa beans, this rich butter provides deep hydration, softens rough skin, and supports collagen production. Castor oil draws out impurities, relieves joint pain, and promotes skin regeneration, making it effective in minor wounds and chronic skin conditions. Black seed oil. Rich in thymoquinone, this oil offers antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, bolstering immune response and soothing skin irritation, supported by 2024 studies on its efficacy in allergy relief. Vitamin E oil, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E protects cells, accelerates wound healing, and reduces inflammation, contributing to skin resilience and anti-aging effects, per clinical findings. Arrowroot powder, a natural thickener. Arrowroot soothes sensitive skin and absorbs excess oil, providing a comfortable, non-irritating base for application. Lavender oil. With antiseptic and calming properties, lavender oil reduces stress-related tension and soothes minor burns or bites, enhancing overall relaxation and skin health. Frankincense oil complements the powder with concentrated terpenes and boswellic acids, improving skin tone and reducing scars while amplifying anti-inflammatory effects. Ylang oil balances sebum production and promotes circulation, soothing irritating skin and enhancing mood. The salve's dual-modality Boswellia delivery powder for sustained action and infusion for rapid effect ensures comprehensive relief, making it ideal for joint pain, skin repair, and holistic wellness. Apply it post-cleanse to clean, dry skin, massage it in gently, and store it in a cool, dry place, and tell your friends. Majira Sacred Salve. We'll see you next time.
So just to summarize, one of the most potent things that's in this is our Boswellia Sacra frankincense powder. So this is powder that is made from the resin of the Boswellia Sacra tree, and this fine powder is enriched with boswellic acids. Super potent for its anti-inflammatory effects, with healing by easing joints discomfort and really promoting tissue repair. It aids in healing by easing joint discomfort, promoting tissue repair, and supporting overall skin health, and is used for reducing swelling and enhancing resilience for your entire skin, and I would say really your entire lymphatic system and circulatory system. Yeah, it really hits a lot of things. So this is now available on our website, and one jar usually lasts me about 3 months, and I use it daily, so you don't really need a lot of it, and you can actually get a subscription, so it's being sent to you, I think, every 3 months. Is that? Yeah. And do remember with the subscription that you save, I think, up to 30%, which is quite a lot. So really, this is a great deal, and I really, really promote this product as I use it every single day. And really, with all of our products, there is nothing that we make at iHeal Collective that I do not believe in and that I do not use. And I think that is really why people trust us. I think it's very, very important when you are endorsing something to be able to really speak to the integrity of the product. This is about your health. And this is about, using the kind of ingredients that we can find in nature and that we can really stand by, because even in a lot of natural products, take a really good look at the ingredients. iHeal, we can really stand behind the quality and the integrity of everything that we are using within our product line, because we believe in bringing that to you, because you deserve it and you're worth it, and we have been fooled enough